Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Professor Sistrunk, and I am sending this out to my CNS 110 students. Okay, the long-awaited midterm test has arrived. So I wanted to make sure that you guys was able to get the majority of things completed before I unleash this midterm test to you. I'm gonna go over a couple of things about the midterm. I'm gonna show you what a midterm is at, and etc, etc, etc. So once you log into test out, you should be able to see a screen like this, and you're making sure that you're using the actual 6.0. So when you log into test out, make sure you log in through the test out portal like we been doing, and make sure that you use your username and password to get in so you can come to this screen. If you have any problems, I predict someone may have some problems, but you just give me a call, an email, we can do a Zoom, and we'll just walk you through getting this test started. The most important thing is this: you must, once you complete the exam, email me and say, hey, professor, I have completed my exam, so I will know that you completed the exam. Now, this exam is your midterm, so you must do your best on there. You can do it. I know you can. Now, this exam, I am opening up for you to take it pretty much anytime starting tomorrow, which is 2/11 or February the 11th, 2021. You're gonna see the exam right here on your screen. All you have to do is click the exam, and this is what you will see. You will see the times. When it'll open, it will go all the way to Sunday, 11:59. You only have one shot, so make sure you take it as early as you possibly can on Sunday, because some of you like to wait till the last minute and the exam will not be open up for you again. I'm gonna send you this video log to make sure you receive it in your email, whether it's be your email for Oakton as well as your personal email, so there will be no, of course the exam will be labs. Now, I gave you as many labs as I wanted you to have. I gave you around about 8 labs, so that's one thing you need to know. It's 8 labs in there. To pass the exam, you must get an 80%, not a 70%, an 80% to pass the exam. So the bar is definitely raised, because this course here prepares you for your certification, your first certification you'll get in the next course. Okay, and I hope that the music that you're hearing do not bother you, because I love listening to music when I'm talking, so hopefully it's not bothering you. But anyway, so what did we just go over? The exam has approximately 16 questions. Just make sure you know the bulk of the test will have labs in there, a lot of them. These labs are built so we can make sure that you understand the structure of how the work will be in the industry. You will not be doing multiple choice questions in the industry. You will be doing labs. So let's get the key notes about the exam, and you're gonna see them pop up over here. The first thing is this: the exam will last on the 2/11 to 2/14. So it's going to open up tomorrow morning really early, and it's going to close Sunday night at 11:59. But do not wait until that time. Do not wait until that time. Get your exam out the way. No excuses will be accepted. Okay. The second thing about this exam is 16 questions in there, but the bulk of the questions are labs. You know me, I'm a lab person. I want to make sure that you have the knowledge, the skill to do the work, and labs are the only thing that can give you that skill and that knowledge to demonstrate. Stay focused. You got this. I know you got this. So that's the second thing, 16 questions. And the third thing is this: make sure you take your time. You have approximately 2 hours to do this exam. That's way more time than you need. But don't get in there and mess around with foolish questions. Answer the question and move forward. The fourth thing is you need 80% to pass this. So the bar has definitely been risen a little high. And the reason is going up to 80% because for those of you who are going over into the second part, you will be getting ready for your first certification test. So you will be taking this test here. You see this right here? You will be taking that in the second class. That will complete both of these classes, and that will give you your first certification. And if anybody tell you you can't get a job with this, I'll tell them they are a lie, because I helped a student get a job with just this certification. They didn't have a Microsoft, they didn't have a Cisco, they just had this, and now they're working in the industry and doing quite well, if I do say so myself. So that's it. Remember, I'm gonna pop those things up on the side so you'll know exactly what to look for. Get in here, get this test completed. Have at it, people. This is a great test. Tell me how it is. Give me some feedback if you can. But this is Professor Sistra, and I'm signing off. Your exam is ready to go.